It's Saturday morning, and we are at the soccer field for Logan's second game. He is the team in the green. So, Logan's team won, 4-1. We're heading home. I think last weekend we went and picked up 15 bags of mulch. And my wife and her brother, during the week, put those 15 bags out here in the backyard. And then they went and bought 15 more bags. And then they went and bought 10 more bags. But the backyard is looking really good now. Much better than it did before. Anyway, the wife and kids went to Chuck E. Cheese for a birthday party. So I'm gonna go check the P.O. box. I'm gonna grab something to eat. And then I'm going to start sanding on the bunk bed some more. Looks like I, 2, 4, 6 letters today. One of them should be an order for a ice chest cooler box plans, and the rest should be stickers. I've decided, I've decided that a hamburger sounds good today. This place has the best burgers. Beats In-N-Out any day. So a poor girl back there was trying to fix the soda machine, and there was like 5 or 6 people waiting on her. I figured I didn't want a soda that bad. Time to go home and start some sanding. Pile on the right is what I sanded last time. Pile on the left is what I have to sand today. No, I think I'll meet you at the school. Getting in a quick bike ride with Logan before it gets too dark.
Yeah?
You're getting good at starting.
Yeah. It's a little wacky sometimes.
Wacky how? Oh, that's fine. It's one of those things that just takes practice. Once you do it a whole bunch of times, you won't even think about it. Today was a good day. We got to go to Logan's soccer game, which he won, and I got a bunch of sanding done on the dual bunk beds, dual loft beds, and then you notice that Logan and I went for a ride. But what I didn't tell him is I went and got his seat post, and I moved it up about an inch. When we were, I think I mentioned this last week, when we were showing him, I had raised it up. And we're teaching him how to ride, and he didn't like it, and so I put it all the way back down, and then he was happy. So he's been riding it a lot more this week, and he can take off a lot better. So I went out before the ride and raised it up, yeah, like an inch. So I'll give it another week, and then I'll raise it up another inch, another inch, until it's high up enough that when he's pedaling, his legs are extending all the way. But tomorrow is the woodworking show at Rockler in Pasadena. They're trying to bill it as, you know, a replacement for the traveling woodworking shows. I'm not expecting much, but you know, it's 45 minutes away, so it's, you know, it's worth a try to, you know, to go check it out and see how it is. So I'll bring the camera. I might bring the GoPro with the time lapse, but not sure. It just depends on how many people are there, and you know, and how weird it would be. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow. We are at the hospital. My brother and his wife are here for her to have a child. And we brought him dinner.